Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the drop feature in Microsoft Edge. So what this will do is it will allow you to drop files and also make notes within Edge, and then on a different computer or other device, as long as you're logged into your Microsoft account at Edge, you could go ahead and grab those files and download them or read those notes that you left for yourself. So I have two computers here running Windows with Microsoft Edge open. So if you go to your sidebar here, you got this paper airplane, that's for drop. And then this is where you could write notes and also upload files. And if you don't have it, you could click on plus here, and then you should be able to turn it on from there. Okay, and then I have another computer which has Edge open as well with the same feature there. So we're going to go, like I said, let's go over to back to the other one here. All right, so let's open up Drop. So you already have a log file that was uploaded and a note. So if I make a note here, like that, and even spell checks it for you too. So I could send that, it'll show up here. Now let's upload a file, and you could also do a screenshot. Let's do that first. Let's take a picture of the Google logo here. And then you could do some editing if you want. Then just click on copy when you're done there. And that will send it. Okay, so now let's actually upload a file here by clicking on the plus button. Let's do a Hawaii picture here. How about this beach picture? Okay, so now this is the computer that we sent them from. You can see it's kind of green there. So now if we go over to our other computer that we're logged into, go to the drop section. You can see it's updating there. So now we have the picture, the screenshot, and the note. So you click on the ellipsis, you could copy and delete it. You could download it, open with OneDrive Online, delete it. Same thing here. So now no matter where you log into, as long as you're logged in with your Microsoft account in Edge, you'll be able to go to your drop section here and then get to your files that you've uploaded or any notes that you've made. All right, let's go back to the source computer here. All right, so one thing you'll notice, let me close this. If you go over to your OneDrive account, assuming you're logged in with the same account, you'll have this Microsoft Edge drop files folder now. And if you open that, then that'll have your images that you have uploaded, and also your files too. This logs file was not a photo. So this is where they will be kept, and so it goes against your OneDrive storage, so just keep that in mind. If you start getting crazy with your uploads, then you're going to be using your OneDrive storage. And then of course you could download them from here as well. So once again, just go to your sidebar here in Edge, click on the paper airplane. You could do a note, take a screenshot, or upload a file, and then just go to the same drop section in Edge on a different computer or other device, and then you'll find your notes and files there. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.